Hi, it's Kerry. Learn animal names and interesting facts about them. We've got lots of fun at the end today. I bought this pig today. It was in the supermarket. It's actually a dog toy, but I couldn't resist it. You'll see why. How cool is that? Subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like farm animals. The Knabstrupper mare. What a beautiful looking horse with her tail flying up behind her and her black spots on a white body. Can you tell me how many frogs in today's video? The Knabstrupper Foal. Such a beautiful looking horse. The Black Stallion. This is a beautiful model. You can see the white marking on its face and the big tail flying up behind. It's reared up on its back legs. Let's put them in the farmyard now. I can't resist that. Here's the Black Stallion, the Knabstrupper mare, and her foal. The male goat is called a billy goat. You can see the tassels under his chin, and he's got some long horns there curving backwards. Goats will eat anything, even your washing. Baby goat is known as a kid. I really like the little bell around its neck. The female mother goat is called a nanny goat, and you can see she's got milk there in her udder. She's still got the tassel under the chin and shorter horns. Frogs have come to the watering hole. There's 4 frogs all together. I like that little blue frog. Yes, you can go there. The green frog down there. Oh, and the red one on the plant. The female sheep is a ewe. She's got a lovely face. Let's take a look. The male sheep is known as a ram, and look at those curved horns curving around its ears and right under its chin. The long woolen coat will keep it nice and warm in the cool weather. And here's their little lamb. I really like 3D puzzles. Now this sheep one is a bit tricky. We take them apart sometimes to practice, but this is probably one of my slower ones. Let's place them around the farm. The swan with her 3 cygnets, she's giving them a ride on her back as she paddles through the water with those big black feet. The turkey is such an interesting animal. I really like the red snoot on its front there, and look at all those tail feathers. The turkey, the swan and her cygnets. And now I've got a couple of geese. I really like this goose. And here's a brown one. That would be the female. A Mandarin Duck. What beautiful colours. And a Mallard Duck. This is a male duck. I can tell by the beautiful colours. Okay, off we go, down to the watering hole. You can have a bit of a swim and a splash. The Fresian Bull. This is quite a big bull. I love the black and white colourings and the way the black comes around the sides of the face. There's good detail on this one, and you can even see the ribs there on the side. Quite an imposing looking face. The Fresian Cow. It's known for its good milk production. And you can see the veins there on her tummy and her tails to the side. Cattle are often raised for milk production as well as meat production. The 3D puzzle cow. Now this is one of my favourites, except for that leg that keeps falling off. It's much easier to put together because of the black patches. The Fresian Calf. The calves are amazing. Within 30 minutes they're standing up, feeding from their mothers. The bull, the cow, the calf, and the 3D puzzle cow. Let's take a quick look. We've got the swan and her cygnets, the Mandarin Duck, the Mallard Duck, the geese, the Knabstruppers, the goats, my yellow squeaky toy, the sheep and the cows. After the fun ending, I've got a short review of another farm animal video you might like. I'll put a link in the cards to it. This is another favourite farm video with lots of interesting animals. I really like those Texas Longhorns. Coming up next is the fun ending from this video. It's really good. Thank you for watching my video. It really helps if you're able to share my videos on any of the social media sites that you like to visit. See you again soon.